everyone, welcome back to the list. If you're feeling a bit lonely this Valentine's Day weekend, there's a place where you just might find your soulmate. Jimmy Rhoades is logging on with the top stories around the D.
And number 1, looking for love this Valentine's season? Well, don't be shy, get online. Seeking companion to hang out, go for long walks, lick my face, and eat my table scraps. The Michigan Humane Society website has listings for every kind of pet: dogs, cats, bunnies, guinea pigs, and more. You'll even recognize some features from online dating sites.
We have a nice personality profile for you, so you can go down and see if they're hitting all those needs you're looking for.
You may not find romance, but you will find true love.
I found my perfect match online. I didn't even have to make small talk.
If you can't adopt, the Michigan Humane Society Telethon is underway right now here on Channel 7. Show your support by calling 855-MHS-GIVE or go online at michiganhumane.org. And number 2, Cupid takes a shot at the D. Detroit ranks rock bottom when it comes to celebrating Valentine's Day. That's according to a new Wallet Hub survey of the 100 most populated cities in the country. Metrics used include number of restaurants per capita as well as attractions. What? We've got loads of romantic attractions like our beautiful riverfront, Belle Isle Park, the DIA, skating at Campus Martius, and new restaurants opening almost every day. In our opinion, the D is the perfect place to spend Valentine's Day. And number 3, I brought candy hearts to Bobby and Stacey at WOMC, but the cutesy messages seem to be aimed at kids. I think they'd be very different if they really were targeting an adult romantic audience.
Yes, they would, definitely.
Let's bring these up to date.
What I'd like to make for my husband: you touch that iPad more than you touch me.
Oh, here's one for my wife: get off the couch.
Maybe these are the perfect metaphor. They're pithy phrases that mean nothing. They seem sweet at the time, but they'll kill you over the long run. That's
reading.
just like love.
Okay.
Now you're caught up and clued in around the D.